What's up, guys? Hope everything is still good. So, like I mentioned, today it's going to be a live trading session. Hope you're excited as I am. Let's see. So, we are currently working with USD JPY. And this analysis that I did, it's on the previous video. Go check it out, okay? I'm just going to use what I learned, you guys. Support, resistance, market structure served, and yeah, those stuff. Go check out the previous two videos. You will learn a lot, I promise you. And I see the market did exactly what I expected. I think the market is heading up. So yeah, we can just remove this. So now we can see the market is currently in an uptrend. This became support. This is now our resistance. You might wonder why I call this resistance, because there is one above. So as you can see, if you don't look at on the left side, ignore all this noise over here. So the market, it broke through the previous resistance, came back. As soon as the market went down to retest the resistance, it became support. So as soon as the market breaks this resistance, and retest this resistance, retest and shoots up, only then this would become support. But we are currently, this is still resistance, okay? But we are now, we can now finally see the direction of the market. So I'm going to look for shells. I'm not going to do a swing trade. I'm just going to do a quick in and out. I believe it's called scalping. So I'm going to use the 1 minute, 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. So 15 minutes. Okay, we are now 4 hours. Let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, we know the market needs to retest this. So, okay. So this is a support as well. It's currently in the support. It's currently retesting. So basically, market went up, something pushed the market down, something pushed the market up. Market came down again, and this area means something is pushing the market up again, and then the market decided it's gonna break the support, because this is most a resistance and this would be support. But we know the market is going down to retest this level in order for it to move up. So on the 4 hour time frame, you are going to look to buy here, somewhere here. This would be buy. But because we are trading on the 15 minutes, we are going to look for sells, because the market is in its retracement phase. So you get the push phase and then you get the retracement phase. The 15 minutes. So this would be support. This whole area here. 15 minutes. Let's see what happens. Okay, what happened here? This is also a demand zone. There we go. I think the market is going to retrace to this area here. But like I said, I'm not looking to be long in this market. I think I'm gonna trade up until here. Let's mark this one here. So this is a quick trade. So currently it's still at the support area. So the market, it needs, if the market wants to come down, breaks down, it needs to retest here and then pushes back. That's what I'm hoping for. Or the market can go up this area, boop, 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 to continue with an uptrend. But let's see, we are now on the 5 minute. Let's see what 1 minute time frame looks like. Ignore these noise over here. Let's only work with this. Let's remove this one. Well, let's remove all the drawings. So this is a support, resistance. This was previously support. Came broke through, came up, retested the support, and as soon as it went down, this changes from support to resistance. So now it's at the resistance level again. So here we have some sort of resistance. That became support. Market went from here, from the previous support, came down. Something happened here, the support area right there. Went up. Retested the resistance. Down. Broke through the resistance. Okay, so I'm gonna put a trade right now in there. I'm just gonna put my stop loss above this resistance level, and we are going to target right here. Stop loss would be 174, 147. Stop loss 147.65. There we go. So I'll place the trade now. Let's see how this is gonna pan out. Remember, I only used support and resistance for my entry points. Only support and resistance. You ignore the noise over here. You can see the market clearly went up from this area, pushed up, then got pushed all the way down again. If I can just use up, got pushed all the way down again, retested, pushed down, came back, okay, let's ignore these minor structure. And now because we are on a downtrend, obviously we are going to look for sells. And look there, what's happening? It's going to shoot down. So I would move my stop loss up until this area here. Just because I'm going to ignore this minor structure. Because we are already on the 1 minute time frame, these structures, they are not that valuable. I don't think the market will react nicely over there. So now this would be a quick 1-to-7 risk to reward ratio. Okay guys, so while I'm in the trade, I'm gonna take my time to explain to you the importance of patience. So our job as traders, it's not to predict where the market is heading. It's to wait for the market to tell us where it is heading. How the market communicate to us if it's going down or if it's going up, it's by using candlesticks, candlestick patterns. I'm going to show you what a double top, double bottom, bullish engulfing, the evening star and the morning star candle patterns look like, and a head and shoulders, because that indicates if the market is going to continue up or if it's going to reverse back down. Yo, this was a beautiful sniper entry. Beautiful sniper entry, guys. Beautiful. So, okay. So, if you're going to look at candlestick patterns, I would suggest you look at 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hour and daily candlesticks. Not 1 minute or 5 minutes. Because the market in those time zones, the market is moving too fast. It can give you now a head and shoulder pattern, and then it can break down. It can give you a bullish engulfing, but now it can shoot up or it can shoot down. Either way, candlestick patterns on 1 minute and 5 minutes is not reliable. Okay, not reliable. I see there we got some resistance at the minor structure, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. I'm actually thinking this is a solid trade. Hoping so. Okay, let's start to identify some candlestick patterns on the daily. Let's do daily, it's much easier. Daily, come on. I say 4 hours. Say 4 hours. So here I can already see a head and shoulder candlestick pattern. So this is called an inverse. This would be the left shoulder. Yeah. This should be the head. This would be the right shoulder. Can you see it? Let me remove. So this indicates that the market is going to reverse. So like you see, it's in a downtrend, but as soon as this pattern is showing, this indicates that the market is reversing. The bulls are taking over. So that's a head and shoulder. Let's see if you can find other patterns. So this is a head and shoulder as well. You can see here, this is the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, boom, down. Left shoulder, hit, right shoulder, down. So the market was trading upwards. It went up. It created higher highs, higher lows. But as soon as this pattern formed, that signals, hey, it's going down now. The trend is over. The, the bears are taking over the market. So this is a point right here, right there, and right there. Head and shoulder. Let's see what other candlestick patterns are here. So this is another head and shoulder. Head and shoulder, bullish engulfing, double top, double bottom candlestick patterns. It's commonly found on markets. That's the patterns that's most commonly found. Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily. So here we have a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern and an evening star. So as you can see, this is a small body, long wick. Small body, long wick. And this is a big, juicy green candlestick. Big, juicy green candlestick. So this whole body, it takes up two of these red bodies. So this is known as a bullish engulfing candlestick. Nope. Move. I want this one. So as you can see, this body starts there. This whole green candlestick, it's bigger than two of these red candlestick bodies. That's a bullish engulfing. It's like engulf. It's engulfing the red candlesticks. Yeah, this pattern, it's known as the morning star candlestick pattern. Long wick, and then you get a small candlestick on the opposite side, and then a big candlestick on the opposite side. So this we call an evening star. An evening star. And as you can see, if you placed an entry right there, it went up to retest and then the market came down. Same here. This is also a morning star candlestick. This is a double top. Okay, just imagine here we have the resistance and double top. Market is going down. It's ending. The bears don't want the market above this resistance. So the bears, the market went up, got pushed down, went up again to the same area and got pushed down again. Okay. So here we have a morning star candlestick pattern again. So the market, it went up, 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 and as soon as this candlestick pattern formed, the market went down. And here we have an evening star candlestick pattern. Evening star candlestick pattern. So as soon as the market, it went down, and as soon as this pattern formed, the market went up. So I think we covered now all the patterns that I want to talk about, but I will make the next video will be in detail about patterns. Let's see how this trade played out. Think it's gonna form a morning star candlestick pattern. Okay, so guys, there's just a few stuff that I need to sort out, so I'll be back in say 10 minutes. At 8 o'clock I'll be back. So yeah, see you then. Okay, so what's up guys, I'm back. Let's see how this trade, okay, how this trade actually played out. So now it gave me an evening star candlestick pattern, but because it's on the 1 minute time frame, I'm not gonna bother looking at the noise. This is only noise. This the 1 minute time frame candlestick patterns doesn't make sense. It's most probably going to retest this here. Then it's gonna go back down. Most probably gonna retest. So these are all the areas that the market can potentially turn back. So you can put in a sell right here, or you can put in a sell right there, you can put in a sell right there, but you need to wait for the candlesticks first. Yeah, we're still in this trade. We're looking to take this low, and then we can expect the market to break through, retest, then maybe we can take a trade to the downside as well. There we go guys, there we go, there we go. Smooth a 1 to 7 risk to reward ratio. I think let's see how this candle close, because then I might close my trade if this candle closes above this level. Okay, it didn't, but we are still in the trade. Come on, hit TP already, hit TP. Yeah guys, patience is key whenever it comes to trading. Patience is key. And I didn't use any fancy strategies, ICT and all of that. I literally used the information or the I literally used the information that I talked about in my previous videos about support and resistance. This is the basics of trading. Okay. Oof. I don't want to see that. Come on, hit AP. If it goes above this level here, then I'm out. Yeah. And I'm out. But remember, patience is key. You see, it made an evenly star candlestick pattern. If this was on the 4 hours now, I would have been out already. But this is on the 1 minute, and like I mentioned, candlestick patterns doesn't work so well on the 1 minute and 5 minute time frames. Let's see what's happening in the 5 minute time frame. You check there. I think okay, still 9 minutes left. Now this is what you call a sniper entry, guys. Sniper entry. See what's happening again. Come on. Yeah, so what I normally like to do is I like to sit and forget. I don't like to stare at the market like this. So yeah, as soon as the market goes above this resistance here, I'm out. I'm taking my trade out. This can be considered as a double top as well, but like I mentioned, I'm not looking at that noise, because on the 1 minute time frame, candlestick patterns, it really doesn't matter because the market is moving too fast. In this scenario, yeah, worked, but see, just came down again. Let me draw a trend line here. Let's see. Nope, just gonna leave that. Come on, hit TP already. Yeah, I've been in this trade since an hour, and I was hoping for like 15 minutes or something. I've been in this for an hour. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna. Hey, what just happened there? But I'm hoping to see a big push now to the downside, and I'll be happy. Guys, I'm out. I'm gonna take my position out. There we go. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk it anymore. So this was a nice 1 to 5 risk to reward. So I'm happy with this trade. So I'm not gonna be any more greedy. Can probably take a sell here as well now, but I'm not gonna risk it. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah,